Welcome to Angel Wings Designs Christmas card special. Included in this card is the Pup Free Flight Glider for budding pilots, young and old. This looks like a simple glider, but I think I'm going to need some help building this. Right, come on you lot, get down as quickly as possible. We've got a big job on. Right, we've got this Christmas card to make. We're not going to need any special tools. No, we're not going to need that hammer. The only thing we're going to need is some super glue. We don't need anything else. So the first thing we've got to do is we've got to identify all the parts in the kit. First thing is the fuselage, then the boom. Then the next thing is the vertical stabilizer. This is the horizontal stabilizer. And you should have a left and a right wing in the kit. The one last thing, all careful. And the last thing should be the custom jig to hold the fuselage to get the dihedral for the wings properly. There we go. Oh, clever. So, first thing we've got to do is we're going to glue one half of the boom to the fuselage using a little bit of super glue. Just be careful you don't stick it to the bench. Then the vertical stabilizer. Always a good idea just to put a little bit of super glue on first, just to tack it, and then put more glue on when it's fixed. Then we're going to get the fuselage and we're going to add it to the jig. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to run a little bit of super glue on the back of the boom and make sure that we get the horizontal stabilizer square to the vertical stabilizer. No, we don't need the hammer. We only need super glue. No other tools on this project, just super glue. Thank you very much. So the next thing is we're going to join the wings. So just tack one wing to start off with. Just be careful you don't accidentally glue the wing to the jig. When you're finished, you can then fill this hole with blue tack. I said no hammers. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much for that. So there you go. One pup glider. What a perfect Christmas present for the budding pilot and builder.